We're at a house in Irvine, and the owners have mold growing all over the ceiling and the top part of the walls because the kids like to take long hot showers and the humidity builds up and they do not have a ceiling fan. So it gets so moist and humid in here that they're growing mold all over the ceiling. So we're going to scrub the whole thing down with a disinfectant, get it really clean, and we're going to have somebody come in and prime and paint with semi-gloss paint so the problem doesn't come back. I've also instructed them that they need to get a ceiling fan installed as soon as possible.